I'm Pinky Kaur and welcome to my channel. Today I was very happy when my vegetable wala, my vendor, gave me lots of exotic vegetables. He gave me leeks, he gave me asparagus, he gave me celery, and he gave me bell peppers, some basil, some parsley. So I thought while I use some for my salad, I thought let me make a nice soup so I can teach everybody also, and on a rainy day you can all make this soup and have it. So let's make an exotic soup today. Okay, so I have this leek here which I will first show you how we use the leek, how we cut the leek. So basically we remove the green portion, we don't cut it. This green portion you need not throw, you can use it as in your vegetable stocks. Basically we just cut like this. This needs to be washed properly because sometimes you will find lots of dirt here because it's grown into the muddy soil. We are using the white portion of the leeks. So we cut it well and then we soak it in water so that it gets washed properly. It's already washed once, but I thought after cutting it also we should wash it so that we are sure that there are no mud particles in this. So we just keep this in water and then wash it well. Okay. So after that I'll put it in this where I'm going to put all the other veggies also. There's fresh water in this too. So I'll just throw this water out. Drain all the dirty water, and then, though it is not very dirty actually, but yes, still washing was important. So I'm putting all the leeks in this. Then what else can we add? We can add some onion. This is optional if you don't want it, but I like onion taste in the soup. So I'm adding some onions also to this. I have some yellow bell peppers. So I'm adding some yellow bell peppers. We need to add some potatoes in this because potatoes will give us the thickness also. Now don't feel shy of using potatoes. Potatoes are excellent starch to eat. They give you a lot of energy and they're good starch to eat. So don't shy away from potatoes. So we add about 3 small potatoes in this for a whole leek. Okay. What else can we add? I have some celery which has also been washed nicely. So I will add a few celery leaves. Oh wow, I have some lovely asparagus. So I will add some asparagus also. So I will add this. So we are going to have a lovely healthy green salad. What else can I add? Okay, I have some basil, but I think basil I'll cut and put it in the soup because if I put it now it's all become green color, very dark green. I want the little whitish color to remain. So here we have a whole leek. We have about 3 potatoes. We have about 5 to 6 asparagus, green asparagus. Then we have a whole stalk of celery and we have enough water. So I'm going to keep this to boil, give it a nice boil so that everything gets cooked very well, and then we will continue with the rest of the recipe. Okay, so I will now keep this to boil. Okay, I'll on the gas. So let this boil. Oh, I forgot about ginger garlic, so I'm adding some ginger and garlic. Garlic is optional, but ginger I think you must add because ginger will give a very nice taste to the soup. So we will let this boil for a good, I think it may take about 15-20 minutes. So let it boil well and then we will continue with the recipe. Okay, I'll just check. 20 minutes are passed. Oh, okay, it's boiling well. So I will put off the gas. You can see. Let me just check that it has been. Yes, the potatoes are done. So I'm sure the rest is also done. Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll just strain this soup. I'll strain this soup here. I'll just let this cool. We'll just let this cool for some time till it is safe enough to blend it, because we'll need to blend this. So we'll just let it cool for some time. Okay, this has cooled down. It's quite safe now for us to blend it. So the soup water is here, and we will just blend this. We'll add some water to this. 1 glass. And we'll give this a nice smooth blend. Become a nice smooth paste. And just now we don't have to strain it again, because it has become a nice smooth paste. There's no need to strain it again. We're just adding this to this water. I'm getting lovely ginger taste. Smell, not taste. So this is our exotic soup, which is ready. It's giving a nice aroma. We'll add some more water in the blender and just blend this again. See, because of the potatoes, the soup gets nice and thick, but we need to add some water so that we get a nice consistency. So we'll keep this to boil again. We'll on the gas. So you can see it's become a nice smooth soup. Now to this I'm adding some finely chopped celery, some basil leaves, a little parsley. We'll add some salt and pepper. Some rock salt. Some pepper. Give it a nice boil. In this, now at this stage, if you want to add some finely chopped onions or spring onions, you can add, it's your choice. I have not cut them, so I have not added them, but yes, you can add if you like them. That also will give a nice crunch. Okay, you can see the soup has come to a boil. I'll lower the gas. Add some lime juice. Once we add the lime juice, immediately I'll off the gas, because then we don't want the soup to get bitter. So now it's ready to drink. We'll just plate this. Okay. We just put the soup in the soup bowls. Now this with 1 leek and 3 small potatoes, we are able to get about 4 portions of this soup. So now to this we will just give it a little garnish. Maybe we can just add a few sprigs of fresh parsley, and then we are done. So this is our exotic soup which we have made with leeks, asparagus, celery, onions, capsicum, garlic and ginger. It's an amazing soup. I can get the aroma. Let me just taste it. The potatoes are also just right. It gives the right thickness to the soup. Good starch to our body. So I'll just have this. Wow, it's lovely. It's hot and nice. The ginger and garlic taste, and that black pepper and that lemon dash we add in the end. It's amazing. Very, very refreshing. So on a nice rainy day when it is chilling weather and when it is lots of rain pouring outside and you want to have something hot, kuch garam ho jaye, make this soup. Hopefully you will have all the ingredients by then. Enjoy this. If you like this recipe, please click the like button, and if you want more recipes like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you and have a good day.